Tesla's Sentry Mode turning off can be frustrating. The primary reasons are related to settings, battery levels, and location permissions. Sentry Mode is designed to protect your vehicle, but it requires proper configuration and sufficient battery power to function reliably. Recent software updates have improved stability, but issues can still occur, especially with older vehicles or in areas with poor GPS. First, ensure Sentry Mode is enabled in both your Tesla's touchscreen and the Tesla app. Mismatched settings between the app and the car are a common cause of issues. Make sure your Tesla software is up to date. Outdated firmware from before 2024 might lack proper app integration, causing the mode to turn off unexpectedly. Restarting the app can also resolve syncing issues between the vehicle and your phone. Sentry Mode consumes battery power. Tesla automatically disables it if the battery drops below 20% or 30% in cold climates to preserve charge. To avoid this, keep your car plugged in when using Sentry Mode, or adjust the low battery threshold within the app settings, a feature introduced in v2024.32. Monitor your battery usage and plan charging accordingly, especially in colder conditions. Sentry Mode requires precise GPS data to activate properly. Ensure the Tesla app has always location access in your phone's settings. Network issues or poor GPS signals can also cause problems. In 2025, Tesla added geofencing options to customize activation based on location. If you're in an area with weak GPS, try moving the car or restarting the location services on your phone. Tesla's app, starting from version 2025.1, includes enhanced diagnostics that automatically log reasons for Sentry Mode shutdowns, such as battery being low or location permissions being denied. The app sends push notifications to alert you immediately when these diagnostic issues occur, making it easier to identify the problem without checking manually. You can then use this logged information to apply targeted fixes, such as adjusting your location permissions or battery settings in the app. Let's look at some real-world examples to illustrate common Sentry Mode issues and their solutions. In one case, a Model 3 owner in California found Sentry Mode disabling after 2 hours despite a full battery. The issue was traced to an iOS update blocking GPS access, preventing location-based activation. The fix was simple: enabling precise location in iPhone settings to restore GPS permissions. In another example, several Model Y owners in Europe experienced shutdowns during winter months because cold temperatures accelerated battery drain, triggering Tesla's safety protocols. Tesla addressed this through an over-the-air update, introducing adaptive battery thresholds that allow Sentry Mode to operate even at lower levels in cold conditions. These real-world cases demonstrate that resolving Sentry Mode issues typically involves multiple steps, combining app settings adjustments, software updates, and environmental considerations. Experts praise Tesla's software-driven approach to Sentry Mode fixes. This iterative strategy has turned Sentry Mode into a cornerstone of vehicle security. Battery optimization and AI-powered power-saving modes are significantly reducing false shutdowns. These advancements have improved Sentry Mode reliability across Tesla models. Future trends include integration with smart home systems and AI-driven anomaly detection. This could automate responses to low battery warnings and enhance overall security monitoring. However, cybersecurity experts warn of potential hacks via unsecured app permissions. They urge users to enable two-factor authentication to protect their Tesla accounts. To summarize, fix Sentry Mode issues by checking settings, managing battery, ensuring location permissions, and using app diagnostics. Proactive maintenance, such as monthly app checks and battery calibrations, can prevent many common failures. While Sentry Mode is a deterrent, remember, it's not a substitute for professional security. Keep your Tesla software updated for the best performance and stability.